When it comes to maintaining and upgrading your home, few improvements have as significant an impact as installing replacement windows. If you're a homeowner in Frederick, Maryland, the benefits are even more pronounced due to the area's seasonal climate fluctuations. From cold winters to hot summers, energy efficiency is critical in keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills manageable. Here's how replacement windows can enhance your home's energy efficiency and provide you with lasting value. Understanding the impact of old windows on energy efficiency. Older windows can be a major source of energy loss in a home. Over time, seals and frames can deteriorate, allowing drafts of hot or cold air to enter your home. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy costs and less consistent indoor temperatures. Traditional single-pane windows, common in older homes, provide minimal insulation, meaning that heat escapes during the winter, and in the summer, your home may absorb too much heat, increasing your cooling costs. In Frederick, where the winters can dip well below freezing and summers often reach the 90s, this inefficiency is even more noticeable. Old windows also have a tendency to fog up, making them less visually appealing and reducing natural light. Fortunately, replacement windows offer a modern solution to these challenges. How replacement windows improve energy efficiency. Superior insulation. One of the most significant ways replacement windows improve energy efficiency is through superior insulation. New windows are designed with advanced materials, such as double or triple pane glass, which provide much better insulation than older, single-pane windows. These multiple layers trap air between the panes, acting as a barrier that helps keep your home's temperature stable. With the correct energy-efficient window, heat will stay inside during the colder months and stay out during the warmer months, reducing the need for your heating and cooling systems to run constantly. Low-E glass coating. Many replacement windows come with low-E, low emissivity, coatings that help reduce heat transfer. This coating reflects infrared light while allowing visible light to pass through, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The benefit of low-E coatings is that they don't compromise the amount of natural light entering your home, but they significantly improve your home's ability to maintain a comfortable temperature. In areas like Frederick, where both cooling and heating are required throughout the year, this feature can lead to substantial energy savings. Better seals and frames. Older windows may have seals that have weakened or deteriorated, leading to drafts. When you invest in replacement windows, you can select models with improved seals and tightly fitted frames that prevent air leakage. The more airtight your windows are, the less likely outside air will enter your home, reducing your energy consumption. These improved seals can also help prevent moisture buildup, which can cause mold growth or rot. Enhanced UV protection. Another energy-efficient feature of replacement windows is their ability to block harmful UV rays. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause your furniture, flooring, and fabrics to fade. Energy-efficient windows come with UV blocking properties that help protect your interior from this kind of damage while also keeping the temperature more regulated. By blocking UV rays, your home stays cooler, and your belongings last longer, which further enhances your home's overall energy efficiency. Reduced HVAC dependence. With better insulation, advanced coatings, and stronger seals, replacement windows can reduce your dependence on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. During the summer, you'll need less air conditioning to keep your home cool, and in the winter, you'll rely less on heating. This means a longer lifespan for your HVAC system and reduced maintenance costs. Plus, you'll experience a more consistent indoor climate year-round. Long-term savings and comfort. While the upfront cost of replacing your windows might seem like a big investment, the long-term benefits far outweigh it. On average, homeowners who replace old windows see a significant reduction in their monthly energy bills. Additionally, homes with energy-efficient windows are often more comfortable, providing better noise insulation, fewer drafts, and a more consistent indoor temperature. Over time, these improvements can add up to substantial savings. Furthermore, replacing your windows can increase the value of your home. Potential buyers appreciate the energy-efficient upgrades, knowing they'll save on future energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable living environment. This is especially appealing in Frederick, where energy efficiency is a key concern for many homebuyers. Conclusion. In conclusion, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models is one of the most effective ways to improve your Frederick home's energy efficiency. Whether it's through superior insulation, low-E glass, better seals, or UV protection, replacement windows provide a range of benefits that keep your home comfortable, lower your energy costs, and increase the value of your property. If you're looking for a smart investment that offers long-term savings and enhanced comfort, replacing your windows is a step in the right direction.